Let's finish off this autopilot by blowing some holes in the dashboard and going on a sea trial. There is no way that this is a good idea. Yeah, well, I can't believe that actually fits. Ha! First shot. Had a little bit of wiggle room to make that perfect. Sweet. Milwaukee M12 Sawzall. So, because I'm inputting Autopilot there, had to blow another hole through the dash to put the vapor gas fume detector thing right there. See if I blow one more hole in for the switch for it and start putting things back together. Okay, so here is the final product for the Autopilot installation. Got the display right there, and there will be many videos to come this summer fishing utilizing the Autopilot. Just testing out some functions here. So I went through the dockside wizard, which was pretty basic information as far as the style of boat, planing, displacement, powerboat, sailboat, the capacity of the steering helm, and how many turns lock to lock. Pretty basic information there. So we're going to do a heading hold here at just 35 degrees. We do have a bit of a crosswind. See the waves coming across the bow here, and we'll let it do its thing. I have a red channel marker way out there, kind of as a reference point. Just keep heading in that direction. Still pretty much holding right on point there. Keeping a nice line. Pretty impressed so far. This will wrap up part 3 of the Garmin Autopilot installation. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.